Hey guys, I'm your AI presenter Audrey from Wondershare Virbo. Exciting news, our customization service is live. Now you can place an order to clone yourself into an AI avatar and clone your voice. Whether you're a seasoned Virbo user or a newcomer eager to explore the wonders of Virbo's cloning services, today's video is tailored just for you. We'll pick out some frequently asked questions and give you the answers. Let's get started. Question 1. Is it possible for others to use my customized avatars? The answer is no. At Virbo, safeguarding your rights and interests is our top priority. Your personalized assets, from avatars to voices, are exclusively for your account's use, so unless you're cool to share your account with others, your custom creations stay exclusively yours. Alright, let's tackle question 2. I've ordered custom services. Can I directly use them in Virbo, or do I require an additional Virbo subscription? If you're looking to use that custom avatar, you'll need to snag a Virbo subscription. Check out the pricing page by clicking here, or find the link in the description below. We've got monthly, quarterly, and annual plans to suit your vibe. So, in a word, if you've purchased digital avatar customization and voice cloning services, an extra Virbo subscription is needed for their usage. Question 3. Can I use those videos created with my customized avatars to promote my services to clients? No worries, we don't limit how you use or distribute the videos once you make them, as long as the materials and input you use are within acceptable guidelines. For example, no copyright violation of your uploads, no sensitive or bad words for character inputs. Other than that, go ahead and let those videos work their magic for your services. Time for question 4. How long will it take to customize my avatar? Well, typically we're talking a mere 7 to 10 days. Once it's done, just hop back into the Virbo program, log in, and you'll find your personalized avatar there. If you're itching for updates along the way, shoot us an email at ella@wondershare.com, and we'll keep you in the loop on your AI avatar's progress. Alright, question 5. How do we preview the gestures and impressions of the AI avatar in Virbo? Easy peasy, just hover your mouse over each avatar on the Virbo app, whether you're on Android, iOS, PC, or web. Get a sneak peek at the intro gestures, but hold tight, the full performance comes to life when your video is submitted and ready for download. Now, question 6. Can I control the avatar's gestures of impression? Apologies for the buzzkill, but direct control over gestures and expressions isn't in the cards right now. However, you can select your preferred one by previewing the avatar. When customizing an avatar on Virbo, you have the flexibility to create the desired gestures or expressions during footage shooting. Should you desire specific gestures or expressions, don't hesitate to inform us, and we'll tailor it according to your preferences. And last but not least, question 7. Can I make an avatar of a celebrity? No. Crafting an avatar of a celebrity, or anyone, for that matter, requires the green light from the star themselves. At Virbo, we play it by the book and respect everyone's rights. Without that golden consent, we can't create a celebrity avatar. Ethical vibes all the way. That's all. Hope today's video helped you know more about Virbo's cloning service. Keep those questions coming, drop your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more QA sessions. Until next time, happy creating with Virbo.